India Post Payments Bank celebrated its 7th Foundation Day on September 1st, 2024. Since its launch in 2018, IPPB has made significant strides in branding the financial inclusion gap, leveraging India Post's extensive network of over 1,61,000 post offices and 1,90,000 postal employees. IPPB has successfully disbursed over 45,000 crores in DBT to beneficiaries under various government schemes. IPPB has enabled paperless, cashless, and presence-less banking while acquiring over 9.88 crore customer accounts. IPPB has enabled digital life certificates services for more than 20 lakh pensioners. IPPB has onboarded more than 12 lakh merchants. IPPB has facilitated mobile number updates for Aadhaar cards over 7.10 crore customers. PM Narendra Modi addressed at Economical Times World Leaders Forum, highlighted India's growth story and vision for the future. India's economic growth has expected by nearly 90% in the past decade, outperforming predictions and peers. Empowering the poor. The government approach has been to empower the poor, removing obstacles and providing access to bank accounts, digital transactions, and entrepreneurship opportunities. Infrastructure development. The government is focused on modernizing physical infrastructure, expanding social infrastructure, and advancing reforms with significant decisions made in the past 3 months. Manufacturing and innovation. India aims to become a global manufacturing hub with support for MSMEs, plug and play industrial parks, and economic corridors, as well as a focus on innovation and research. Inclusive development. The government is committed to ensuring that the fruits of development reach every poor person, regardless of caste, community, or religion, with a focus on saturation and leaving no one behind. Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative stamp for 75 years of Supreme Court. The Prime Minister Narendra Modi released a commemorative stamp to mark 75 anniversary of Supreme Court of India. Symbolism. The stamp features the Supreme Court building and the scale of justice, symbolizing the court's commitment to upholding the Constitution and delivering justice to all. Milestone celebration. This release celebrates the Supreme Court's 75 years of contributions to India's legal landscape, recognizing its significant role in shaping the country's jurisdiction and ensuring justice for its citizens. Union Minister Srimati Annapurna Devi launching the 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maha 2024. Launch of Poshan Maha. Union Minister Srimati Annapurna Devi launches the 7th Rashtriya Poshan Maha National Nutrition Month 2024, emphasizing the importance of nutrition for a healthy India. Theme and focus. Theme for this year Poshan Maha is Mahila or Swasthya, Women and Health, focusing on empowering women to take charge of their health and nutrition and that of their families. Aim and objectives. The initiative aims to address malnutrition, anemia, and other health issues, especially among women and children, through awareness campaigns, community mobilization, and convergence with other government schemes. A two-day human rights training program concluded successfully with the following key highlights. Empowering participants. The program empowered participants with knowledge and skills to promote and protect human rights, covering topics such as international human rights law and rights of vulnerable groups. Diverse participation. Participants included government officials, civil society representatives, and students, fostering a collaborative environment for learning and exchange. enhancing awareness and capacity. The training aimed to enhance awareness and capacity to address human rights issues, promoting a culture of respect and dignity, and encouraging participants to apply learned principles in real world scenarios. Bihar's Rajgir hosting 2024 Women's ASEAN Championship Trophy. Host city and dates. The 2024 Women ASEAN Champions Trophy will be held in Rajgir in Bihar from November 11 to 20th date. Participating teams. The tournament will feature six teams including India, China, Japan, Korea, and Malaysia and Thailand. Tournament significance. This is the first time an international hockey tournament is being held in Bihar, and India will be defending their title. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit has taken over as the Air Officer Commanding Chief of the Central Air Command, succeeding Air Marshal Ravi Gopal Krishnan Kapoor. Assumption of office. Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit assumed office on September 1st, 2024, marking a significant milestone in his illustrious career. Predecessor tenure. His predecessor, Air Marshal Ravi Gopal Krishna Kapoor, superintended from service on 31st, 2024 after serving as a AOC in C of the Central Air Command since February 1st, 2023. In new leadership, with Air Marshal Ashutosh Dikshit at the helm, the Central Air Command is poised for continued excellence in defending India's skies and upholding its rich legacy. V. Satish Kumar has taken additional charge as Indian Oil Corporation Limited Chairman. Additional charge Kumar appointment comes after Srikanth Madhav Vaidya completed his tenure as a chairman of the state-run oil company. Concurrent roles. Kumar will serve as chairman while continuing in his role as a director marketing, a position he has held since October 2021. Leadership experience. Kumar has 35 years of experience at Indian Oil Corporation Limited, having served in various regions across the country and held key positions, including state head for Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Hayao Miyazaki received the Raman Magsaysay Award recognition. Hayao Miyazaki, co-founder of Studio Ghibli, received the prestigious Raman Magsaysay Award for his contribution to animation and inspiring generations through his work. Impact on animation. Miyazaki films such as Spirited Award and My Neighbor Toro have had a profound impact on the animation industry, promoting Japanese culture and values globally. Highest honor in Asia. The Raman Magsaysay Award is considered as Asia's highest honor, recognizing individuals who have made significant contributions to their respective fields and demonstrated leadership and vision.